The complainant in the landmark sexual harassment probe against the top judge of the Eastern Cape, Judge's Secretary Andiswa Mengo, has not thrown in the towel yet, following the Judicial Conduct Tribunal's misconduct finding against Judge President Selby Mbenenge. This as Mengo's lawyer, Chrissy Blows, says that they are set to make submissions to the JSC on the said report and are not ruling out any legal recourse available to their client.
What the tribunal has done in its outcome, has created a separate process and standard that judges are being held to that would not be accepted in any other workplace. In no workplace would it be acceptable for a manager or a colleague to ask a woman to take off her jacket, to take off any part of her clothing. But instead, in this finding, we find that the tribunal had decided that there in fact was no power imbalance between the judge president, the most senior person in her workplace, and herself, a secretary, a junior staff member within the court.
The report further made a loss of credibility finding against Mengo and found that she had lied under oath. Blows, however, charges that this is incorrect, as the credibility finding was based on the process she followed.
Everything that was before the tribunal was in fact provided by Ms. Mengo when the judge president was the one who deleted everything from his phone when he knew that a legal process was already ongoing. So it is unfortunate that the tribunal decided that they needed to attack her credibility to make the finding that they did.
Blows has flagged another concern that the tribunal finding, in her view, has turned an unlawful act of sexual harassment into romance, which may send a chilling message to women who wish to report sexual harassment in the workplace in the future.
The danger with that narrative is that that narrative is actually a defense that many rapists and abusers use within our court system in South Africa every day. And so even when we look at the social media, the comments relating to this case, this is a rhetoric that has been reinforced. And so we fear that it will send a chilling, have a chilling effect and send a chilling message to women who wish to report sexual harassment within their workplaces.
Mengo will not be returning to the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court and remains relocated for her physical safety. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.